No. It's for desperate measures. Do you get cleaned up on your shoulders? Did you find it?
No. What are our clues?
It's, don't jump the fence. There's a fence right there. Hope our cover doesn't blow away, and it's available in the winter.
So we're thinking that this big old tree
Mommy, I was thinking...
might be a good thing, even though technically the coordinates put us on the other side of the road.
I was thinking if it said don't jump the fence, then we would look by the fence.
There's the fence. Yeah, why don't you look by the
Maybe
fence?
stay away from the fence.
No, dear, I don't know. Why don't you look around the fence posts? If it were me, I would hide it in that big tree, but don't know.
So we found the geocache finally. It was really hard. The coordinates were off, so we couldn't find it. It's pretty obvious if we read the comments. You just keep reading them. They'll give you more hints, and we finally found it. So let's open this. Ready?
Yeah, I'll open it.
Do it together.
Okay.
Ooh, what's this?
There it goes. So looks like we found it.
We need a pen.
Oh, we found it.
Where's the pen?
Looks like there's no space.
We need to get a pen. Wow, look at all of them.
Look at that.
They found
That's
the whole
very
side. Oh wait, keep
Kate, be
careful.
gentle with it.
Whoa.
So it looks like there's still space.
Look it.
Kate, do you want to go get a pen from the front?
Yep.
Does it say a date on there at all, Nora? Does it say how far back it goes?
Well, you're supposed to write your date. 19,
I'm coming to the back.
13, 19.
Pretty cool.
12.
We almost gave up, didn't we?
Yep.
12. Can I write mine first?
Oh, sure.
All right, so what are we going to do after
This is a
we
medicine
put
bottle.
our initials on there?
This is a medicine bottle.
We'll put it back where we found it, right? So someone else can find it next. Did you want to put your little swaps in there? Because ours are small enough to fit in that jar.
But this doesn't
But
fit.
then
No.
we don't get to take anything.
That's okay. We'll give somebody else something to take next time. Kate, do you want to go get them?
What?
The swaps?
So after we found this little bottle, our trade items are small enough to fit in it, so we're going to put our trade items in there.
And mine. I'm going to put this in there. Here, I'll roll it up from that side.
So we finished rolling up it, and we're going to put it back in the container and put it back where we found it. This cache gives us historical information about our city. We found it, and look at how small it is.
Wow, it's so small.
Look at how little the log is.
My goodness. Well, we found it.